Welcome to this video on Visual Intelligence, a guide to creating infographics with NotebookLM. We will explore how to turn dense documents into grounded, personalized visual summaries. NotebookLM offers the power of grounded AI. This means visuals are based only on uploaded sources, eliminating external noise and ensuring every fact is citable. NotebookLM offers the power of grounded AI. This means visuals are based only on uploaded sources, eliminating external noise and ensuring every fact is citable. Step 1 is fueling the engine. You can input research papers, documents, slides, video links, or copy/paste text. Note that links often don't work, so manually copying the text is recommended to ground the AI. Step 2 is to configure the canvas. Here, you select the orientation, such as landscape, portrait, or square, and the level of detail, from summary to standard or detailed. Step 3 is the prompting formula. Never leave the prompt blank. Use this variable equation for guaranteed results, including type, target audience, topic, theme, and style or color. Let's break down the variables. Input type includes checklist, cheat sheet, tabular comparison, and visual guide. Input audience can be a student, executive, beginner, or tech professional. Defining the format and the reader sets the complexity of the output. For theme and style, you can select historical or corporate. Style and color allows you to direct the AI to use specific hex codes for brand colors or use a bold style. For example, in this history case study for students, we used a tabular comparison, historical theme, and architectural style. The result is data structured within a period-accurate visual theme. For the consumer decisions case study, a table chart was used to compare the top 3 credit cards and highlight lifetime fees in gold. This allows for immediate decision-making. In the professional action plan case study, the formula used a checklist, brand colors, and a relatable style. The result is a branded, step-by-step launch guide for stakeholders. For the summarizer case study on complex topics, a visual guide with a bold style and bright yellow primary color was used. This compressed a 3,000-word article into a phased visual framework. Beyond static images, the Studio panel offers more. NotebookLM is a multimedia engine. You can generate podcasts, videos, and study aids like mind maps and study tools from the same prompt box. Here are some pro tips. Use multilingual magic to generate Hindi infographics from English sources with perfect spelling. Iterate and save your successful prompt formulas. Finally, remember privacy first. Your data is contained in your notebook. To recap your workflow, upload sources, select Edit, apply the formula, and then generate and iterate. Your data, your story, is visualized instantly.